Hello beauty! Welcome to my channel! And today we are unboxing LOOKFANTASTIC October Beauty Box. This time it's scarlet red and yeah, I have special manicure for this box. Let's start! Friendly advice. If you are new to LOOKFANTASTIC subscription, search for a promo code. Usually you can get a free gift together with your first subscription. OMG, am I going to open this box ever? Okay, let's see what's inside. And as usually, the first thing we find is Edit magazine. Here we can read about beauty tips and tricks and the content of this box. Now the main part. I just love opening this tissue and the sound of it. Look who's here. And we've got 6 products, 3 of them full size, just as they promised in magazine. And we are starting with the item I was actually waiting for. I call it home spray, but rituals marketers call it perfumed interior. But no matter how you name it, it's gorgeous. Since I got it, I use it all the time. And next we find Magnitone makeup remover swipes. Made of bamboo microfiber, they should remove makeup with just water. Let's open the box and see what they look like. Usually I double cleanse my face, especially if I wear makeup. I have combination to oily skin and sometimes I wear quite heavy makeup. These pads are very soft, maybe they are perfect for somebody with dry skin, but I have some doubts about myself. The thing I love about them is that they are reusable and environmentally friendly. There are 6 of them in full-size packaging, but I've got only 2. Korres Wild Rose Night-Brightening Sleeping Facial. So this product is basically a night cream, which contains wild rose oil and vitamin super C. I have no idea what they've done to vitamin C that it became super, but anyway. As usually, it should even skin tone and improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Let's open it. Nice cream, not too watery, not too heavy, so you could use it every day as a part of your night skincare routine. Actually, I have already had such product from Korres. Ta-da! I guess that the red one is previous version of this cream. Although the ingredient lists are quite different, the effect is quite the same. Just remember not to mix it with retinol or other active ingredients. The next guest in our studio is Paradoxx Moisture Conditioner. And as usual, it is packed with best ingredients: argan oil, jojoba oil, lavender, coconut oil, rosemary leaf extract. I'm actually tired reading this ingredients list. Let's open this tube and see what's inside. I have already got some products from Paradoxx. Inside it's lightweight, quite liquidy substance. Let's try it. I have natural hair color. I've never done anything to my hair except maybe masks at home. So it's quite easy for me to see the difference between using the product and not using the product on my hair. I didn't expect and eventually I didn't get the immediate result from this conditioner, but I'm still using it and we'll see. Before this box, I've never had such item and I was waiting for it. This one is ISOCLEAN Makeup Brush Cleaner and it should help me to clean my brushes between washing them. Pay attention that it doesn't cancel washing the brushes, but has an antibacterial effect when you need it between washes. And of course we're gonna try it. The instruction says we should spray it on the tip of the brush and then clean it with paper towel. The result is quite obvious. The brush is clean, while the towel is not anymore. Moving to a last product, but first. I love it. So here we've got the sample of Luvia Highlighter. In a full-size palette there would be 8 shades of this highlighter. The description says it could also be used as the eyeshadow. It looks beautiful, just like pure gold. Now let's swatch it. And it's golden in the daylight and golden under the sunshine. Lovely color. I think I'm going to use it on my eyes mostly. And we are almost at the finish of this short video. Here what we've got in the box. I'd say that I would use 60% of those products. Quite a good result. Now, thank you for watching this video. Make sure that you have subscribed and see you in the next videos.